Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick demo of our app, Aki. On the right side here, I have a vendor account. On the left side, I have a customer account. As you can see, we have everything fully set up. Our vendor has a profile picture, banner, name, description, some reviews from last orders, an emoji that represents them on the map or whatever they sell, which is in this case is a donut. They can also click here on view as a client. Ooh, I just realized it's not in English, which is perfect for this demo because I can show you we can switch languages. There we go. So you can click in view as customer and you have a preview of the vendor profile. So that's what the customer is going to see, which right now is offline. We have our menu set up in our highlights. You can reorder them, move them around. And in this case, I'm just going to go online and you can see it's going to pop in immediately in our customer app. There it is. Of course, we're inside a concrete building, so there will be some interference. The location is not going to be super precise because of that. It's designed for outdoor space. But as you can see here, we have our vendor. We can check everything just like what we have here in the view as customer. We can check their payment methods they accept. We can view their socials, and we can see where they are on the map. So I'm going to make a quick order. I'm going to order this panettone and this Whoppers. So I'm just going to, I'm going to go back to my orders page. I'm going to select my payment method. I'll just do cash, and I'll go pick up. You can also do delivery if the vendor enabled that, and I'll show you how here in preferences. If you have delivery enabled, you set the distance and all of that. You can set your amount, your price. There you go. So we're going to do finish order. That's going to show us the preview of the distance. Are you sure you want to go that far? Sure. That I'm going to get. There you go. Got an order. So now there's multiple ways I can view this order. I can hold to see the preview, or I can click on it and then accept it down here, or I can just, if I'm savvy, I can just swipe. So then I get a notification, my order is being prepared. So it's preparing, there's a little timer, which is set up by the vendor. And then, I can talk to the vendor, which will open WhatsApp, but I'm not gonna do that right now. You have the whole order. I'm just gonna come in and say, it's ready. Oh, I can also request more time, by the way, but I'm gonna say it's ready. And then, well, now that it's ready, we have this code that we can verify. But before that, we're supposedly far away from the vendor, at least enough that we need the map. So let's show how we find each other. So we have this map, shows us where the vendor and the customer, well, for the vendor, it shows where the customer is. For the customer, it shows where the vendor is. And yeah, they can lock in, find each other. Again, not gonna work at this distance, but once you're like, oh, I see the vendor, I see the customer, I have a little gamification thing, and then done. You just come in, you type the code 8965, verify, and the order is completed. What happens now is you can rate the order. I'm just going to say mid, and then get a notification. You can check your reviews. The Android notification was overlapped with our notification. So I can just come in and I'll see my review right here, mid. I can respond to it. So that's kind of the basics. You can come here and check previous orders. You can also do this as a client. You see all the past orders. You can navigate on the map. We haven't done any orders these days. These months. Other than that, this is pretty much it. I could go into the more advanced features we have, like as a vendor, you have account, language, region, payment methods, which you can allow here. Customer communication, so that's if you enable WhatsApp or SMS, if they allow the customers to reach you, or if you want to share your socials. You can set up your goals too, your daily goals, your weekly goals, all those, and they will appear for you. And you have Help Center. That's where you can reach our support. First, you have the FAQ, and if that, you look at it like, okay, I can't figure it out, of course, you can type it. It's going to ask if your problem was resolved. If it was resolved, that's great. If it wasn't resolved, we'll take it to a funnel where you're going to open WhatsApp and we'll talk to the vendor. That's pretty much it. Here you have your earnings. I'm just going to keep finding things and showing you. Notifications. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. It's very straightforward. You can order from moving vendors wherever they are. Just getting out of a club or something and 2 a.m. and you want a taco, you just see where they are on the map and order.